Now let us study the multiplication of integers. Multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. That is, plus into minus will be minus. Now let us see the example. 3 into minus 2. 3 is positive, 2 is negative. So plus into minus will be minus. So answer will be minus 6. 3 2s are 6 and it will be minus 6. Next is 5 into minus 7. That is positive plus 5 and minus 7 equal to plus minus will be minus. So minus 35. A negative and a positive integer, it will be minus into plus will be minus. So minus 4 into 3, it will be minus 12. Negative into positive, it will be negative, minus 12. And again minus 2 into 5, that is minus 2 is negative, 5 is positive. So negative into positive will be negative. So 5 2s are 10, answer will be minus 10. Thus for any two integers a and b, a into minus b equal to minus a into b equal to minus of a plus b. So if positive is multiplied by negative equal to negative is multiplied by positive, it will be minus of the answer, minus of the product. Multiplication of two negative integers, that is minus into minus will be plus. So let us see the examples. Minus 4 into minus 5. 4 5s are 20 and minus minus will be plus, so plus 20. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is 3 2s are 6 and minus minus will be plus, so plus 6. Now let us see the product of 3 or more negative integers. If there are 3 or more negative integers, then if the number of negative integers that are multiplied is even, then the product is a positive integer. That means if there are even number of integers multiplied, then the answer is positive. Let us see. Minus 5 into minus 5 will be 25. That is 5 5s are 25. Minus minus will be plus, so plus 25. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So answer will be 81. And minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus again plus. So it will be plus 81. If the number of negative integers that are multiplied is odd, then their product is a negative integer. Here, if the number of integers multiplied is odd, that is 3, 5, 7 or 11. Here 3 times minus 2 is multiplied. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that will be minus 8. Minus minus becomes plus and plus minus becomes minus. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplied 5 times. So it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. And minus minus becomes plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So it will be minus 243. Let us see the properties of multiplication of integers. First one, closure under multiplication. In this property, what we see that if two integers are multiplied, the answer will also be an integer. Let us see the examples. Minus 2 into 5 equal to minus 10. Minus 3 into minus 7 is 21. 0 into minus 4 is 0. That means all the answers are integers. The product of two integers is an integer. Thus integers are closed under multiplication. Thus if a and b are integers, a into b is also an integer. Now let us see commutativity of multiplication. Now here, if we will interchange the numbers for multiplication, the answer will be same. 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. Here minus 3 into 5 equal to minus 15. We have interchanged 5 into minus 3 here. Here minus 3 into 5 here, but answer is same. Minus 12 into 10 equal to minus 120. If we interchange the numbers, it will be 10 into minus 12, that will be minus 120. Again third one, minus 18 into 0, it will be 0. If we will multiply 0 into minus 18 also will be 0. Thus if we will interchange the numbers for multiplication, answer will be same. Thus if you will multiply the two integers in any order, the answer is same. Multiplication is commutative for integers. Thus for any two integers a and b, what we can say, a into b equal to b into a. If we interchange the order, answer will be same. Now let us see multiplication by 0. 8 into 0 equal to 0. Minus 6 into 0 equal to 0. 0 into minus 3 equal to 0. That means that if you will multiply any number with 0, then answer will be 0. Any integer when multiplied by 0 gives 0. For any integer a, what we can say, a into 0 equal to 0 into a equal to 0. Any integer multiplied by 0 will be 0. Multiplicative identity now. Now if we will multiply any number by 1, any integer by 1, that is minus 2 into 1, that will be minus 2. 1 into minus 4 will be minus 4. 1 into 7 will be 7. And 5 into 1 will be 5. Thus, if we will multiply any integer with 1, we get the same integer as result. Means if we will 1 will give the same answer, multiplying by 1 will give the same answer. Thus 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers. Let us study the associative property for multiplication, that is associativity for multiplication. Here we have taken 3 numbers and the 3 numbers are multiplied in different way, taking 2 numbers in the bracket and 1 number outside the bracket. Here minus 5 and 3 are in the bracket, 8 is outside the bracket. Here minus 5 is outside the bracket, 3 and 8 are inside the bracket. Here minus 5 and 8 are inside the bracket and 3 is outside the bracket. Now let us solve each one of them. Here minus 5 into 3 will be minus 15, into 8 it will be minus 120. Here minus 5 into 3 into 8, that is 24, minus 5 into 24 will be minus 120. Here minus 5 into 8 will be minus 40, into 3 it will be minus 120. So if 3 integers are multiplied in any order, the result is same. Thus, the product of 3 integers does not depend upon the grouping of integers. In whatever way we group the integers, answer will be same. Thus, for any 3 integers a, b and c, a into b into c equal to a into b into c equal to a into c into b. Here a and b are in the bracket, here b and c are in the bracket, here a and c are in the bracket. Now let us study distributive property. Here we have taken one example, minus 5 into 2 plus 7 equal to minus 5 into 2 plus minus 5 into 7. Here minus 5 is multiplied by 2 plus 7 1 by 1. Minus 5 into 2 plus minus 5 into 7. Minus 5 into 2 plus minus 5 into 7. So let us solve this one. Minus 5 into 2 plus 7 is 9. So minus 5 into 9 it will be minus 45. Here minus 5 into 2 will be minus 10 and minus 5 into 7 will be minus 35. So minus 10 plus minus 35. It will be plus minus will become minus. So minus 10 minus 35 will be minus 45. Thus, the distributivity of multiplication over addition is true for integers. Thus, for any integers a, b and c, what we can say that a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. A is multiplied by b and c 1 by 1. So, this is the distributive property. Let us see exercise 1.3. Find each of the following products. First one, 3 into minus 1, that is 3 ones are 3 and plus minus will be minus, so minus 3. Minus 1 into 225, 225 ones are 225 and minus plus will be minus, so minus 225. Minus 21 into minus 30, 21 30s are 630 and minus minus will be plus, so plus 630. Minus 316 into minus 1, 316 ones are 316 and minus minus will be plus, so plus 316. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Now minus 12 into minus 11 into 10, 12 into 11 is 132, minus minus will be plus and into 10 will be 1320. So plus 1320. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So 9 into minus 3 is minus 27 into minus 6. So minus 27 into minus 6 will be 162 and minus minus will be plus. So plus 162. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus 18 into minus 5 is 90. 18 5s are 90. Minus minus will be plus and into minus 4 will be 90 into minus 4. 94 are 360. It will be minus 360 because plus minus will be minus. Now next is minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. That is 2 1 2s are 2. So minus 3 into 4, that is 3 4s are 12. 2 into minus 12 will be minus 24, plus minus will be minus, so minus 24. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1, so 3 6 are 18, minus minus plus and minus 2 into minus 1, 2 1s are 2, minus minus will be plus, so 18 2s will be 36. Let us see question number 2. Verify the following. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. We have to verify both the sides, LHS and RHS. So let us see the solution. LHS equal to 18 into 7 plus minus 3. In the bracket 7 plus minus 3. So plus minus will become minus. So 18 into 7 minus 3. It will be 18 into 4 equal to 72. Now RHS is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. So 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 7s are 126 and 18 3s are 54. So plus minus will be minus. So minus 54. So 126 minus 54 will be 72. So here both the answers are same. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Now let us see question number B. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Let us see LHS. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6, plus minus will become minus. So minus 4 minus 6 equal to minus 21 into minus 10 equal to 210. 21 tens are 210, minus minus become plus. Now let us see RHS. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So minus 21 into minus 4, 21 4s are 84, and minus minus will be plus. And minus 21 into minus 6, 21 6 are 126, and minus minus will be plus. So 84 plus 126, it will be 210. So what we can see, LHS equal to RHS, hence it is verified. Let us see question number 3. For an integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So let us see the solution. Minus 1 into a equal to minus a, because minus plus equal to minus, where a is an integer. Let us see question number 2nd. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is. So we have to multiply the number with minus 1. First number is minus 22. So solution is minus 1 into minus 22. 22 ones are 22, and minus minus becomes plus. So plus 22. Next is 37. Solution is minus 1 into 37. So 37 ones are 37, and minus plus will be minus. So minus 37. And 0, minus 1 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So answer will be 0. All exercise 1.3 up to question number 3 in your classwork yourselves, and then see the answer sheet. Thank you.